Hello everyone, myself Dr. Manoti Patil, and today we are going to see one numerical which is frequently asked in university exam. What is the pH of the solution after adding 12.5 ml of 0.01 NaOH to 25 ml 0.1 normal CH3COOH during the titration? So we can solve this. In this titration, 25 minus 12.5 means 25 is the ml of CH3COH and 12.5 is the ml of NaOH which we have added. So that minus we have to take is equal to 12.5 ml of acetic acid will remain unreacted in the reaction. Okay, so the normality of this acetic acid has changed because of increase of volume. Here volume is increases because of the addition, and its normality, of course its normality have to change. So normality of this acetic acid can be found out as follows. We have to determine first its normality. The new volume is here 12.5 plus 15 is equal to 37.5. So old acetic acid is equal to new acetic acid. So old acetic acid's concentration is 0.1 multiplied by 12.5 is equal to N2. This normality we have to calculate, multiplied by 37.5, that is the new volume. Okay, so by cross multiplication, unknown value we have to take one side and all known value we have to take another side, and we can determine its N2 is equal to 0.0333. The part neutralization of acetic acid can be shown as follows. So here CH3COH plus NaOH, it gives CH3COONa plus H2O. Thus 1.25 millimoles of sodium acetate is formed here in this reaction. So here millimoles are the same as milli equivalents. Then the molarity of CH3COONa can be found out by the formula, that is CH3COONa is equal to millimoles of salt upon total volume in ml. CH3CONa is equal to 1.25 upon 37.5 is equal to 0.0333 molar, that is its molarity we have determined. At this stage, acid and salt both are present, so an acidic buffer is formed here in the reaction. So according to the formula of an acetic acid, H plus is equal to Ka, that is acid upon salt, is equal to Ka value is 1.75 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 5. So, and acid value molarity we have determined, that is 0.0333 upon salt molarity we have also determined, that is 0.0333. So H plus is equal to, that 0.0333 is cancelled, and H plus is equal to 1.75 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 5. But we have to determine pH. So pH is equal to, its formula is minus log to the base 10 of H plus ions. So pH is equal to, we have to put the value of H plus there, that is 1.75 into 10 raised to minus 5, and by calculating with the help of scientific calculator, that value pH becomes 4.757. Thank you.